Okay, I'm at the Baron Hirsch Cemetery. Okay. My mission to visit the graves of my mother and father and possibly other relatives who are buried here. A lot of people are interred here. I believe that this is where my parents are interred. So let's check it out. Yeah. Everybody who's interred here is Jewish, was Jewish. Some stones that are toppled over. Oh, Sam Weiss and Lillie Weiss. These are the final resting places of my mother and father, Sam Weiss and Lillie Weiss. So, Mom and Dad, I'm here to pay my respects. And let me say a prayer or two. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad Baruch Shem Kavod Malkuto Le'olam Ved. Hero Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Blessed be the God, sovereign name forever. Kadish Yotom Yekadal Yekadal Shemei Rabor. Biolmo Divora Kiva Vlamik Makute Vakai Kon Viome Kon Vetakol Base Israel Balgol Bima Kori Vimomain Eshemei Rabor Mavorak Violamome Mayor Yitbarak, Yizabath, Izvav, Noam, Vasef, Vazav, Valav, Vatzalal, Shmei Kusho, Bariku. Layla, Mikol, because of fish, you also touch because of an ekam, also, Dara, Biolamo, Vimain, Yeshom, Marab, Mishmaya, Lachaim, Lane of Vial, Kol Yisrael, Vimain. O says Shalom, Bimamo, who yes says Shalom, Lane of Vial, Yisrael, Phil, Yoshete, Tevel, Vimo, Amen. Kaddish Tone, the morn is Kaddish. Let God's name be made great and holy, the world's great as God willed. May God complete the holy realm of your lifetime, your days, and the days of all the house of Israel. Quickly and soon say amen. May God's great name be blessed forever as long as worlds endure. May he blessed and praised and glorified in hell and honor, viewed on Bel and revered. May the blessed name of be hailed or be higher. All the blessings, song, pain, and consolation, other than this world say amen. May I grant the universal peace of life for us, for all Israel, say amen. May the one kid talking about, may peace for us and for all Israel, for to all and say amen. Okay, I said Kaddish over you. I didn't say perfectly, but it's a thought that counts. Samuel Weiss, Lillie Weiss. You were my parents. You raised me. You brought me up. You acted responsibly. And although you're gone, you're not forgotten. You're remembered. I can tell you that right now. I am telling you that right now because it's the truth. And while I'm here, I'm going to try to find some other relatives of mine who are also interred here. But I shall be back. Old cemetery. But it's a final resting place for many people, all of whom were once alive. Yeah, it's I know I have other relatives buried here, but I have a hard time locating them. I know they're in this general area. The Schnalls I may be related to the Schnalls. Tilly and Philip, may rest in peace. May all of you here rest in peace. Hyman Guttenberg. Annie Guttenberg, this is my grandmother. And Joseph Guttenberg, my grandfather. Okay, you're my maternal grandparents. I'm here to visit you. Let me say prayers over you. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad. Baruch Shem Kavod Malkuto Leolam Voed. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Blessed be God's sovereign name forever. Kadish Yotom Yigdav Girash Shemei Rabor Yolma Divora Kivil Vamek Makute Vachai Kon Viome Kon Vita Kolbes Israel Balgod Biman Kori Vimamein Eshemei Rabor Mavorak Leolam Mayor Yitbarak Yitabav Vizram Namav Vitalal Vitalal Shmei Kusho Bariku Layla Miko because of Vishuasa Tush because of Aneka Mosa Dara Biolamo Vimamein Yeshomara Min Shemai Vachayim Lena Vial Kli Yisrael Vimamein Ose Shalom Bimamo Huya says Shalom Lena Vial Kli Yisrael Phil Yoshe Tevel Vimamein Kadisha Ton Monis Kaddish. That God's name be made great and holy, and the world's great as God willed. May God be holy around your lifetime, your days, and days of all houses of Israel, quickly and soon, and say amen. May God's great name be blessed forever, as long worlds endure. May blessed and praised and glorified in hell and honor, beautiful and Belshem revered. May the blessed name of holiness be able to be higher, all the blessings, some praying constantly, during this world say amen. May Him grant the universal peace, life for us, and for all Israel say amen. May the only may peace for us and for all Israel, for dwell in us, say amen. So I've said the prayers over the graves of my maternal grandparents, Joseph Guttenberg and Annie Guttenberg. You're gone, but not forgotten, and may you rest in peace. Always rest in peace. So let's see if there's any other. is where Sally and Charles Guttenberg are interred. Charles was my maternal uncle. Sally was my aunt by marriage, married to Charles. I'll say the prayers. Shema Yisrael Adonai Eloheinu Adonai Echad Baruch Shem Kavod Malkuto Yolam Ved. Hero is the Lord our God. The Lord is one. Blessed be the God Saminate forever. Kadish Yotom Yekadal Figurashime Rabor Biolmo Divoro Kiva the Blaming Makute Vakakon Viome Kon Vigat the Kol Base Israel Bagol Mima Kori Vimu Amen Yeshime Rabor Mavorak Liolam Ome Mayor Yitbarak Yidvav Damam Vase Vasalal Vasalal Shmei Kusho Bariko Layla Mikol because of Vishirosa Tush because of Aneka Mosa Demo Biolamo of Yimomain Eshom Rab and Misham Vakayim Lani Vial Kliusha of Yomain O says Shalom Bimomo Huya says Shalom Lani Vial Kliusha of Yoshe Tevel of Yomain Kadisha Tona Mourner's Kaddish let God's name be made great and holy world's greatest God willed. May God complete holy run your lifetime, your days, and the days of all the house of Israel, quickly and soon, and say amen. May God's great name be blessed forever as long worlds endure. May he bless and praise and glorified in hell and honor, viewed and Belshar and revered. May the blessed name of holiness be higher. All the blessings, so bringing contact other than the source, say amen. May him grant the universal peace of life and for all Israel, say amen. May no one should tell me but make peace for us and for all Israel will dwell in us, say amen. Sally and Charles, you're gone, but not forgotten. And may you always rest in peace. So, I visited the final resting places of my mother and father, my maternal grandparents, and my maternal uncle and aunt by marriage. May they all rest in peace. May they all continue to rest in peace. They're all gone, but they're not forgotten. There's the Schnalls. I believe I'm related to the Schnalls. Samuel Schnall and Shirley Schnall, possibly. Because that was my maternal grandmother's maiden name, was Schnall. Samuel and Shirley Schnall, may you rest in peace. I may be related to you, though I'm not certain.